Having the best time. What do you six there again, lads? Happy six. You didn't have the mic the last time. How are you doing? Are you going to sing a song?
It's not on your eyes. It's just lovely. And then
Come on, come on, come on. Don't be shy. Give them a round of applause. Come on up, you baby.
Are the money from Carpenter in this?
They're all these are all the man in the streets.
Where in based where?
Sing a song now.
Just outside Cavan Town, Killyard would be the area. She's about 90 students on there. Oh, they're very good lads. My young lad plays and my wife plays. They're down the lower end.
Well, that's why I'm singing, is it?
No, my wife's behind.
Oh no, it's the other guy.
The young lad's the lad. He's 2 seats
Any
down
other
from
singers
there.
like to come down, no?
So the cops disappeared on you.
Barry, come on and sing a song.
To be a rebellion that insisted on.
They should have to get 20 guards to move them. Because if they wouldn't move for 2, sure, they're standing around, they'll have to carry them over.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm yourself.
Outside that corner.
Oh, you're Mullinach. I was just looking there, yeah.
Oh, indeed.
I think I played badminton years ago, Mullinach. Mullinach.
There is, but it wasn't the old hall, was it?
Oh, just as now, 22, 23 years ago.
Oh, it could have been an old, beside the graveyard.
Oh, I can't remember.
I know, there'll be a beautiful centre there now near the church.
Oh, that'd be a new one, yeah. That's the only difference. This is over 20 years ago.